Various time I get this request that how we can have 7.2 and 7.5 Cora at the same moment of time running. So what I'm doing is I have installed already the 7.2. Now I'm running the 7.5 installer. I'm proceeding to the installation system right now, waiting for the system to come up for me, and then I will go to the next step. This is very essential. In this step, you need to change your path. So maybe I can set this time for 7.5. I go into program files for 7.5 as a new folder. Once you have a new folder, you will find that your Cora is installed within a separate folder. What you can do is you can go to C drive, program files. You can go to, Cora. So let me just see Cora. I'm trying to locate where the Cora exists, or maybe I can just go Cora and I can say open with the location. So it's actually here. Now open the file location. So I actually got this here 7.5. So what I can do, because my 7.5 is here, I will go to that batch file where Cora exists, and I will just send to desktop, create a software shortcut, and I will also do another one for the 7.2 because this is the 7.2. I would just say this Y, and now we have two shortcuts. If you remember, this is the 7.2. So I will just rename my shortcut as 7.2, and I will rename this shortcut as 7.5. There is a license agreement, so you should only run one instance at a time because I have closed the 7.5, 7.2. So now I'm running the 7.5 at this moment. So you can activate your license if requested. Sometimes they share the data in between the version. I'm not sure 100% about it. So we will see if it asks me for the activation or not. So the Cora 7.5 has been booted. And as we can see, because I have my license activated for that particular 7.2 version, so I don't have to mention the license again. It's already there. The beauty of this system 7.5 is the report comes very faster. So this is how you run both versions properly, 7.2, 7.5. Make sure you run only one version, and when you are done with that, we just close it. Also, I would suggest, highly recommend you calibrate your Quora from here so it just fit into your resolution. That's it. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.